So on the front page we have a little slideshow running here. You can also pause the slideshow or even bring it to full screen with the full screen button. So escape will minimize the slideshow again. If I click on a picture, it brings me directly to the node of that video and starts buffering it. And I actually want to watch Avatar instead. So here we have our standard player controls, which should be pretty familiar: play, pause, progress indicator, and the current playback volume, of course. And here again we have the maximize button. So this doesn't give me a complete full screen. If you want to enter complete full screen, simply hit F11 for Windows and Shift Command F on the Mac. F11 again exits the complete full screen, and I can double click also to minimize it again. And yeah, then we have the 3D controls over here, which are divided into 3 subcategories. One is the 3D volume, and then we have the shift or the 3D focus controls over here. And then we have a swap left-right image button, and this actually is pretty handy if someone accidentally uploaded a file with the wrong view order and you get an inverted 3D effect. I'm sure some of you know that from YouTube, where some people forget to enable the swap tag, and then you get a very strange 3D impression, which is unwatchable actually. And if that should happen here, you can simply swap the views. So if I would set it to right, left now, you get this effect, which isn't really watchable, where everything is out screen, which is normally in screen, and vice versa. So let's go to a scene where this is more obvious. Actually, like here, this looks strange, and if I now set it back to normal, left, right, now it looks correct. So this is pretty handy if someone made a mistake labeling the left-right image order of the video. And then we do have the shift values over here, where you can change the focus of the 3D scene. Also a very nice feature actually. Let's see which scene we take. So here you can see that we have an object, a tree in the foreground, which is cut by the stereo window. And normally one wouldn't do that, because this gives you a strange impression. Your brain has problems in computing the stereo image, because you have a object which is actually in front of the stereo window, but at the same time it's located behind it, because it's cut by the border of the image. And with the focus I can readjust that and bring it to the screen surface again by shifting it. And now you can see that the tree is actually in focus with my mouse cursor, and before the actor here was in focus, meaning if you take down your anaglyph glasses, you can see that he is sharp. There's no red cyan differences in his face, but therefore on the tree. And again, I can readjust that so that the tree becomes in focus and he is then located in screen. So this is useful for videos where you have too much out screen or too much in screen and you want to adjust that. Here in the Avatar trailer it's actually not necessary to do that, but there might be user videos where you want to adjust the 3D focus to your needs so that you get a comfortable viewing experience. So what else do we have? The 3D volume, which isn't available yet for videos, only for interactive 3D scenes, which I will show later. You can also run the player in a windowed mode. If I click on this button, I can detach the player. What's pretty cool about it is actually it doesn't restart buffering. So if I hit escape to attach it again, I can show you detaching the window simply pops up the window and it continues to play, and no rebuffering like you know it from YouTube. And what's also very cool, I can have the detached window sit over here, move it, let's say, to my second screen, to my 3D TV or to my desktop 3D display, and then I can simply click on a new window, on a new video, and it starts directly playing in this same detached window. I don't need to detach it again. So that's pretty cool. Of course, I can also resize or bring it to full screen using the F11 key on Windows machines and Shift Command F on the Mac. So that's it about the videos. So let's continue now to 3D interactive.